3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Kaufman, southwestern Van Zandt, central Henderson, and northeastern Navarro counties. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Trinidad, or 12 miles south of Gun Barrel City, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 175, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes Washington County, Fanning, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.